going to show you how to make fireworks in a jar. This experiment works because oil and water don't mix. Okay, so first pour about 3/4 full of water. I'm using a glass, but you can use a jar too. And then you pour some oil. Then you pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into a smaller container. 1. I'm only doing 3. 2. 3. Okay. Then you use food coloring. I picked 3 colors. You can do up to 5. So 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop, 5, 6, 5 drop. This one I'm going to do 4 drops on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I need to clean one of these. That's empty. And then we'll do some yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now stir this. It looks really pretty, right? That's enough. Then you pour it into your jar and watch the amazing fireworks effect. Oh, it's starting to happen. Little bits are coming off. You see it? Little and cool. And if you look up there, that can look like lots of mini sprinkles. So pretty. In the white oil, in the yellow oil. And that's how to make fireworks in a jar. Just gonna keep on watching this for a bit because it's quite cool. Maybe it needs a little stir.